Hi guys, so we're about to cut some split ends, but I'm going to talk you through it. No need to panic. So last night, as you can see, I did these just to stretch out my hair. You're going to need to stretch your hair. You can use whatever method you prefer. So I'm going to take these out now. My hair is still a bit wet. It's better the drier it is, but this will work. So don't use just any scissors, you need hair scissors, a wide tooth comb, and done. You can see my hair is very even. So let's get into the details. So for best results, you need to trim your hair at least once every 2 months. That way you trim off just a little bit, because the longer you let the split ends sit, the longer the split actually goes down. So the more often you trim them, the less damage, which leads to length retention. So trim your hair to grow your hair. You'll see that I didn't have a lot to trim because I trim so frequently. So for other people, it'll look different. Also, another thing to look out for is how rough your hair feels as you're moisturizing or washing it. So here at the ends, when you need a trim, you'll feel that there's a lot of roughness at the end of your hair. So that's what you look out for. And just generally how your hair feels. If your hair is dull or doesn't want to retain moisture, then you know it's time for a trim.